In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Aion to not opening or launching. The first thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer search, and you want to search for Aion 2. Find the application itself, right click on it, open file location, then you will find the app again, right click, and then you want to go into properties. Now from within the properties, you will navigate to the compatibility tab, and you want to check these three options. Compatibility mode, leave this as Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. The second thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer search again and searching for graphics settings. This time we are gonna search for Aion. If you can't find it, then you will search for purple. You want to find purple launcher. Click on it and you will set the GPU preference to high performance. And also you will do the same for purple overlay. You want to set this to high performance as well. Once you have done this, the very last thing that I can suggest doing is opening up the purple launcher, and you will click on File Scan in Game Settings, and you want to go into Check PC Specifications. You just want to make sure that your PC can run the game. So right here, you will click on Test. This is gonna go and test your CPU as well as your GPU, and if you qualify, it is gonna tell you qualified here with a green button, and you will know that you don't have issues with your PC and running the game. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.